Hello everyone, my name is Marcos and today we're gonna be trying Nishman M4 Matte Finish with super high hold. Stay tuned for more tips.
I made the devil run. I gave him poison just for fun. I had one friend.
Nishman M4, it's a matte finish wax with a super high hold and a very natural finish with it will last throughout the whole day.
Never my own. They were an army. I was alone. I broke so many bones. I'm bad as bad can be, so bad.
Thank you for choosing Nishman and stay tuned for more tips and see you in the next video. Bye bye.
I'm bad. Take a look and see, so bad.